the superstructure. Now construct the stairways to reach the various decks. Cut the upright studs and the steps to length. Apply quick-drying glue and using clamps fix the steps into the grooves in the uprights. The steps must be held precisely at right angles to the upright. Then fix another upright to the free ends of the steps. When the stairways are completed, fix them to the ship. Now it's time to construct the stern skylight. Use pre-cut pieces and join them together with glue. Apply the glue to the contact areas and join the walls to each other. Fit the central crossbar by inserting it in the rebates in the center of the skylight. Attach the two covers to which you have previously fixed the glass panes. Apply a coat of colourless grain-filling lacquer and leave it until it has dried thoroughly. As you finish the covers and deck skylights, fit them to the decks of the ship.